Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute and today I'm back with a delicious rice and beans made in one pot. The recipe is quite simple and the meal is good for children and the rest of the family. So here are the ingredients for the meal. We are going to need 2 medium-sized onions, 2 pieces of bay leaves, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 cups of beans, 1 cup of rice, 2 pieces of seasoning cube, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and lastly 3 small tomatoes blended. Over a medium heat, add some oil in a cooking pot, and then you are going to add your sliced onions and bay leaves and cook until the onions are translucent. Then we'll add tomato paste and stir. At this point, add your already washed rice and mix to combine. Now add blended tomatoes and stir well. For spices, we keep it simple. Seasoning cube and salt is enough. Mix, mix, mix and add the already cooked kidney beans and mix everything up.
Not a single day goes by. You ain't running through my mind. I know it's over, but I can't deny. I'm still missing you. And I'm torn cause I'm hella frustrated. I know we had something special, baby. But now the fact is you're gone for good. And I don't know what to do. I try to stay occupied. I try to put it all aside. I try and try and try and try.
Let the sauce simmer a little bit, then go ahead and add 2.5 cups of water, 2 cups of water for the rice and a half cup of water for the beans.
Still it's no use. Don't know what's going on with me, but I know it's haunting me. I need your love to set me free. Listen to me. You still think about me, baby, baby. Cause you're on my mind and it's driving me crazy, crazy.
To add more flavor to the meal, we are going to add peanut butter.
Are you finally
Peanut butter is a good source of protein, healthy fats and fiber. It also aids in digestion.
over me? You can tell me the truth. Or do you still love me the way that I still love you? Just the other day I seen you. We caught it for a little while. You
Now cover and let it simmer. And because of peanut butter, you're going to stir from time to time to avoid sticking at the bottom. And now your food is ready. Garnish with spring onion leaves. It also adds some extra flavor as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have reached this part of the video, you can as well give it a thumbs up. Share this video so it can reach a wider audience. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.